Couples who got married between the ages of 28 and 32 are far more likely to have successful marriages in the long haul. So let's just pretend that's why Milo took so damn long to pop the question.
Like a vision you made it, and brought me back to life. All that I can do is say,
Myles, to stand here with you today makes me easily the luckiest person alive. It's hard to put into the words the type of love you and I share, but I want you to know how honored and privileged I am that even with my imperfections, you still chose me.
I'm nervous. Taylor, I can't believe the day is finally here in which I get to marry my best friend, the love of my life, and the most beautiful girl I've ever laid eyes on. Today, May 7th, 2022, I stand before you without hesitation, fully ready to commit to a lifetime of waking up and choosing you.
Through our days spent together, you've taught me so much. You've taught me how to slow down and appreciate the little moments. It's really easy to love someone in the big moments, but the best part about loving you is in the moments that are less significant. It's picking you up a number 7 steak with a Baja Blast and extra hot sauce. It's you bringing me coffee in bed no matter what time of day it is. I vow to never take those little moments for granted. You've taught me that love is patient and to always trust the timing of life. And boy, did you make me wait.
As the father of the bride, it is typically customary or tradition to speak about a few moments that made me proud of my daughter, Taylor. Oh, it means a lot to see your daughter succeed in what they work hard for and are so passionate about. And as a father, you always wonder what kind of person your daughter would get married to. It makes it easier for me knowing that our little girl is with someone that loves the person that she is and that he makes her happy, and they will continue to build and grow together. I'm proud for what they've already accomplished together and appreciate everything Myles has done for Taylor. And for that, Myles, I say thank you.
I am clammy as hell. I'm very excited to see how beautiful she looks, because I'm sure she does. And it'll calm my nerves seeing her, so I'm excited. I love you. Oh my God.
You like it? You look so nice.
Myles, you are my best friend, my brother, someone I look up to. I love you more than you'll ever understand. I am so happy you are getting married to one of the most beautiful people I know. Taylor, your greatest qualities are your humor, creativeness, beauty. Sorry, I can't read Taylor's handwriting.
Today and each day moving forward, I vow to honor this marriage and hold myself to the highest standard to be the best man I can be for you, to always remain faithful and approach every situation with complete honesty and transparency, to always provide and comfort in times of need, faith in times of uncertainty, and reassurance in times of doubt. I vow to always work to better myself and to continue to challenge you day in and day out to be the best version of yourself. Taylor Sue Almost Severson Van Horbeck. Today is the day that we become one. united by faith, love, trust, commitment, and 3 less characters, including a space in your last name that you have to write out. Today, your family becomes my family and mine yours. Let it be known to the world, or at least everybody in attendance today, I, Myles Severson, fully commit to a lifetime of you. I love you, Taylor Sue.
I saw you in the perfect light. I'll never forget the way you looked at me. I could never forget the way you look at me.
I vow to practice the patience that love demands. You've taught me that the most important foundation of love in a healthy relationship is friendship. I vow to always be your best friend first. Lastly, you've taught me there isn't one thing that will come our way that you and I can't handle together. Life has tested us in many ways, but your love never wavered. I know that we will overcome life's biggest challenges because of the love we have for each other. And while you've taught me so much, I vow to never stop learning from you. Thank you for always leading with your heart and trusting that whatever happens, you'll have faith. I vow to always have faith in you and in us. We may not always agree on everything. It's pronounced bag, by the way. But I know that we can both agree that a love like ours was built to last.
Inasmuch as you, Taylor, and you, Myles, have thus consented to matrimony and have witnessed the same before family and friends, you may kiss the bride.
Most importantly, I vow to love you authentically and with all of my heart. A lifetime doesn't seem long enough, but I'm proud to be able to call you my husband today, tomorrow, and forever.